Trains in Japan are world famous, clean, fast, and always on time. But for first-time visitors, they can also feel a bit overwhelming. In this video, I'll show you how to use trains in Japan like a local, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Get a Suica or Pasmo card. First, grab a Suica or Pasmo card from any train station or convenience store. It's a rechargeable smart card you can use on almost all trains, subways, and even buses across Japan. Just tap in and tap out. No need to buy tickets every time. Step 2. Charge your card. You can top up your card at ticket machines or convenience stores. Most machines have an English option, so it's super easy. Make sure you always keep a few thousand yen in balance before traveling. Step 3. Check your route before you go. Japan's train system is huge, especially in cities like Tokyo and Osaka. Use Google Maps or Japan Travel app to find your route, train line, and fare before heading out. They'll even tell you which platform to use. Step 4. Be on time. Japanese trains are incredibly punctual, often down to the second. If your train leaves at 9:02, it really means 9:02. So, arrive at the platform a few minutes early to avoid missing it. Step 5. Line up and wait your turn. You'll see lines marked on the ground where passengers should stand. Wait in line, let people exit first, and then board calmly. It's part of Japan's polite train culture. Step 6. Stay quiet inside the train. Inside the train, keep your voice low and avoid phone calls. Most locals put their phones on silent. It's all about being considerate to others. Step 7. Priority seats and etiquette. Priority seats are for the elderly, pregnant women, and people with disabilities. If the train is crowded, avoid sitting there unless you really need to. And remember, eating and drinking are okay on long-distance trains, but not on subways. Step 8. Exiting and transfers. When you arrive, follow the signs carefully. They're color-coded in English. If you're transferring, check the platform number before rushing off. And don't forget to tap out with your Suica or Pasmo card. Closing. And that's it. Now you know how to use Japan's train system like a true local. Follow these tips and you'll travel around Japan with ease and confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more Japan travel tips. See you on the next train.